Number 5. Learn 1 to 10 in Tagalog easy. Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about basic counting in Tagalog. Numbers 1 to 10 is very important in Tagalog because it is an essential part of daily communication in the Philippines. Are you ready? Let's get started. Please repeat after me. 1. Isa. 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 2. Dalawa. 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 3. Tatlo. 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 4. Apat. 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 5. Lima. 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 In the Philippines, numbers are often expressed in Spanish, especially telling time. This is because the Philippines was colonized by Spain for over 300 years, and as a result, many Spanish words and phrases have become integrated into the Filipino language. Six. Anim. 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 7. Pito. 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 8. Walo. 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 9. Siyam. 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 10. Sampu. 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 Excellent! Now let's practice using these numbers 1 to 10 in a sentence. But first, remember these number connectors. NG and NA. NG is added to the number that ends with a vowels. But if the number ends with a consonant, NA is the connector added to the number. Now let's see some examples and please repeat after me. Isang segundo. 1 second. Isang segundo. Isang segundo. Isang segundo. 2 minuto. 2 minutes. 2 minuto. Dalawang minuto. 2 minuto. 3 oras. 3 hours. 3 oras. 3 oras. 3 oras. 4 na araw. 4 days. 4 na araw. 4 na araw. 4 na araw. 5 linggo. 5 weeks. 5 linggo. Limang linggo. Limang linggo. 6 na buwan. 6 months. 6 na buwan. 6 na buwan. 6 na buwan. 7 taon. 7 years. 7 taon. 7 taon. 7 taon. 8 dekada. 8 decades. 8 dekada. 8 dekada. 8 dekada. 9 na kilo. 9 kilos. 9 na kilo. 9 na kilo. 9 na kilo. 10 piso. 10 pesos. 10 piso. 10 piso. 10 piso. Great job! Now that you've got the basics down, it's time to practice your counting skills. You can use these numbers in a variety of situations, from shopping to dining and transportation. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep practicing these numbers with your friends and family. See you next time! Salamat! Paalam! Thanks for learning. Subscribe for more videos.